If you're looking for fix it and forget it when it comes to meals, you're gonna love this mini rice cooker from Macook. My name is Kate with WTI, and I especially love that I can set this and walk away, work on the rest of my meal, and I know it'll be perfectly cooked when I'm ready to eat. Rice is really easy. You may have to play with it a little depending on the type of rice you're using, but for me, exactly how it was designed is how I use it. I add my rice, I put the water up to the line of the amount of rice I added, so anywhere between half a cup to a cup and a half, and then I turn it on, it turns off automatically, and it's beautiful and fluffy and perfectly cooked. But you don't just have to use this for rice. You can make all sorts of things in it. You just have to play with it a little bit. I've made oatmeal in it. You can add or reduce water depending on the consistency you like. It also comes with a bento box. So this is perfect for reheating or cooking some vegetables. I like to put fruit in here so that it's a little soft and warm to put on my oatmeal. But honestly, it's one flick of the button to turn it on to cook, and then it automatically switches to warm when it's cooked. It cleans up really well. It has a nonstick coating, so I just hand wash it quickly. It's small and compact, so easy to store. So I absolutely recommend it, and that's my point of view.